I've been with trips, I've been with friends, I've been so long, we do it again. Ooh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out, it's something about her. Ooh, it's something about.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is my birth month and this is my born week. So my birthday is on 27th on Sunday and today is Tuesday. So I'm going for a photo shoot. I'm sorry you're looking crusty. My skin is dry because I'm just from showering and I wanted to get ready with you. So yeah, enjoy the video. I'm going to do my hair. These days I know how to do my hair. I know it's late, but I'm going to try and be at least quick. I have just a few minutes to get ready and move away from my home. I'm just going to do a simple style and then we put the scarf. I'll just untie it when I reach the place, okay? So first I'm looking for, I don't know how we've reached in October. Actually, towards the end of it, we are in the due course of October, and the year's just started, guys. Growing up is calm. Like I used to feel like a year is too much. But now, as I grow older, I feel like I'm falling in love with growing up and growth than how I was at 19, at 20. I think I'm kind of experienced now in certain fields, and I think I wouldn't want to go back to 18, 14, 20, 21, 22, 23. I wouldn't want to, actually even 24. I wouldn't want to go back to those years. So yeah, we are growing old and wiser, okay? Okay, so I think this is going to be my first photo shoot with you guys. Can you believe? I can't believe it. I think I've been so mean. But yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to be vlogging because yeah, since the year began, I really wanted this year to be special, this birthday to be special, because I'm going to be turning 27 on 27th. Can you imagine? I feel old, honestly, but I feel okay too. So let me do my hair, as I have to hurry. Let me do my hair and then talk to you later. So guys, I tried to do a middle line partition, but it wasn't looking good. I wasn't loving it, so I'm going to do the side and then I'm going to tie it. So trust the process, it's going to come out perfectly, okay? so far this is how it looks like, and I don't know whether behind it is okay, but we are trusting the process. It is wet and I'm not going to go in the dryer, so I'm going to put eco styling gel. This is what I'm going to put. But what I do, I don't want it to turn, I don't want it to make a mess, so I just use just little, and I just don't apply it directly on my hair, because if I do, I really don't like it. So I do it like this and then I apply like that. See that? I told you to trust the process. Honey bunch, it's going to work. Trust me. I'm now an expert in doing this hair. And we have to look good for this photo shoot. So guys, I'm going to do a simple photo shoot. I'm going to do simple makeup, but I'm not going to do it myself because I'm not in the mood So I'm going to go to someone, Agape's makeup. She's going to do my makeup. She's on Instagram actually. If we get the good results, of course I will recommend. I've never used it, but I've seen her work. So, and her makeup is not that expensive actually, it is affordable. I'm going to apply the spray and then tie it. This is how it looks like this side. I think it is okay. Now I'm going to apply this and it will lay down. So by the time we finish the makeup and everything, of course it will be okay. It will be in place. Okay.
Said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I'm taking this. My clothes are here. I told you I'm doing white, blue and black. So the clothes are here. Now the fact that I'm taking white, I have to cover it, you know. So I'm just taking this plus my bag. Yeah, these are the things that I'm taking. I've tried to be minimal as much as possible, but of course I still have many things, but that is what I'm going to take. See you at the studio when we're doing makeup and let's see how it's going to go. Yeah, I'd lost the morale, but let me just try.
is back home. Slide the pain away, slide the pain away. Slide the pain away, slide the pain away.
Loves, hey loves, welcome back here. So it is currently 9 p.m. I don't know what I've been doing, but I'm back. I'm just from eating supper or dinner because I was so hungry. I was hungry. The photo shoot went well. The struggle of picking or selecting pictures, just know it took more hours than the makeup and the shoot too, because I don't know why I was indecisive, but they came out so perfectly, so perfectly. I was just a simple girl. I was just putting on simple things, but yeah, I wanted it to be lit, unique, and all that. So I can't wait to get the final results because I've selected the pics and I'm going to get them in 2 days. So I don't know whether I'm going to post this vlog after I've received them or before, but either way, they will be looking so beautiful. So I did a vlog when I was filming. That's what you're going to be seeing right now, or you've seen. It was nice. It was nice. So I'm going to clean my face because I'm really tired. I already removed immediate after the shoot. I removed the folds or the eyelashes because I used the high volume and I'm not so used to them. So it's been hours since I did the makeup. I just feel like my face is tired. I need to clean, scrub, and yeah, get myself ready for bed. So this vlog is going to stop here. So watch out for my, I don't know, for the next vlog. Love you. Bye.